I'm sorry for disturbing you.
Oh, no, that's quite all right. Sneezing is perfectly normal, but that shuddering is a bit unusual.
I know. I have an extremely rare condition. Every time I sneeze, I have an orgasm.
Well, that is extraordinary. I've never heard of that. What are you taking for it?
Pepper? Oh.